drive. Tell me you will never survive. Grab your mother's keys, believing you always seem so sure that one day we'd be fighting in this suburban war. Of town against mine, standing on the opposite shore. But by the time the first bombs fell, we were already bored. We were already bored. Sometimes I can't believe it. I'm moving past the feeling. Sometimes I can't believe it. I'm moving past the feeling again. Let's learn The Suburbs by Arcade Fire. It starts on D, like a lot of Arcade Fire songs. And this is the rhythm. Yeah, so it's like a triplet feel, but then you have like the shuffle in there. 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 2, and 3. So it's a 4 triplet feel. And the chords are D, B minor, F minor, F sharp minor, 2nd fret, A. That's the verse. D, B minor, F sharp minor, A. And then for the chorus, we just change one chord. It's still sometimes a D. I can't believe it. B minor, F sharp, go to E. Sometimes I can't believe it. I'm moving past the feeling. Yeah, that's it. Okay, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching.